Chairish is a social marketplace for buying and selling gently used and vintage furniture, home decor, and art. Founded in 2012, the platform connects buyers and sellers from all over the world, offering a unique and curated selection of high-quality items. Chairish focuses on sustainability and reduces waste by promoting the reuse and recycling of gently used items. How to create an online store on Chairish. To create an online store on Chairish, follow these steps. 1. Sign up. Go to chairish.com and sign up as a seller. 2. Verify your account. Complete the verification process to ensure your account is legitimate. 3. Create your store. Fill out your profile information, including your business name, logo, and bio. 4. Set up your store's categories. Choose the categories that best fit your products, such as furniture, home decor, and art. 5. Upload your products. Add high-quality photos of your items, including descriptions, prices, and condition details. 6. Set your pricing. Determine your pricing strategy, considering factors like condition, rarity, and demand. 7. Optimize your store. Use keywords and tags to optimize your store's visibility in search results. 8. Manage your inventory. Keep track of your product's availability, condition, and pricing. Things you should know before starting to make money online with Chairish. 1. Fees. Chairish charges a 40% commission on each sale, plus a $5 processing fee. 2. Quality control. Ensure your products meet Chairish's quality standards to avoid account suspension or termination. 3. Photography. High-quality photos are essential for showcasing your products effectively. 4. Pricing. Research similar items on the market to determine competitive pricing. 5. Shipping. Plan for efficient shipping logistics to ensure timely delivery of your products. 6. Communication. Respond promptly to buyer inquiries and concerns to maintain a positive reputation. 7. Returns and refunds. Be prepared to handle returns and refunds in accordance with Chairish's policies. 8. Marketing. Promote your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract more buyers. Tips for success in 2024. 1. Focus on niche markets. Target specific areas of interest, such as vintage decor or mid-century modern furniture. 2. Build relationships with buyers. Engage with customers through social media and email marketing to foster loyalty and repeat business. 3. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your store's design and product images are optimized for mobile devices. 4. Stay up to date with trends. Keep an eye on current design trends and adapt your product offerings accordingly.